In this video, I will show you how to add video into HTML. I have open live server so you can see changes right away. Firstly, we need to add video tag in out HTML. In video tag, we need source tag, and in src, just add video tag as you see me doing right now. Now we added video, but it's too big, so let's add height and width to video tag to make it smaller. As we see, it's same video like in the folder. To add video controls, we just need to add controls into video tag. And now you can start and stop video. Another option is autoplay, when video will play right away. You can even loop the video if you want with loop tag. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.